Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are about to implement Compose compiler in our application. So first, this is a let me show you. This is a completely new project. Nothing's here. I just changed this code text here, and everything is the same. So first, if we run our application, we see that everything's running fine. Everything's good. So now if we go to our version catalog file, we see there is update for our dependencies here. So we just update our version. This is the default version provided by Android Studio when we initialize our start a new project. So after updating our version here, we just try to run our application and we get this error. So what this says is after Kotlin version 2.0, let me show you the Kotlin version here. This says after the Kotlin version 2.0, we have to use Compose compiler, but currently we are using this version, Kotlin compiler here. But after Kotlin 2.0, we have to use Compose compiler. So in this video, let's learn how to implement Compose compiler in our Android project. So first, let's go to our. Let's close this first. Okay. So this is our version catalog file here. So in version catalog file, we need Compose compiler plugin. So let's implement Compose compiler plugin. We need version we refer to the Kotlin version that is already present here, this version. So after we add this plugin here, we have to mention this in our app level gradle file. First, let's add it here in our project level build.gradle file. Let's add this here first. Libs dot plugin dot compose compiler false. So we add this line. We have to add plugin here. Sync it. Now it is synced. Let's remove this Kotlin compiler as we don't need now. And after the Android block here, Compose compiler. Compose compiler. Here is we have to implement enable skip mode. So what this does is increase our compile time faster than compared to Kotlin compiler. Compose compiler is faster. So the skipping mode is false by default. You have to enable this. Maybe in the future it will be enabled by default. So this line and let me copy another line. So also we need to add this line. So this is it. If we sync our project now and then run our project, we get no error as it runs completely fine. So this is it. Now it's using Compose compiler, which is faster compared to Kotlin compiler. If you find this video useful, do hit that like, and if you find Android related content helpful, do subscribe to our channel because we regularly update Android related content in our channel. So do subscribe. So let's see what we have done in this project. So first, what we have done, we have added this plugin here. Plugin, and the version is same as Kotlin version. And after adding this compiler, we have added in our project level build.gradle file, we have added this line, and after that we have added in our build.gradle app level build.gradle file here. And after this you will get a sync now option here, and then you have to sync it. And after sync, then remove the Kotlin compiler from here. Here it will be appear. And after that, after the Android block, we have to add this Kotlin compiler block here and enable this strongest skipping mode to true, and add this line also. And you are ready to use Compose compiler. So this is it. See you again in some other video, and if you have any doubt, do let me down in the comment section below. Thank you.